This is death from the sky, capable of snapping a bird's neck mid-flight. Meet the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird in the world. It hunts using the stoop technique, where it first soars to incredible heights, then dives toward its prey like a missile. During its dive, it reaches an astonishing speed of 242 miles per hour. At that speed, it strikes with deadly precision, turning its target into lunch. This rocket-like attack is so fast that the prey barely realizes it's being attacked, let alone figure out which direction it came from. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts.